I'm Donald Bell for Cool Tools, and we're going to take a look at Pedro's Tire Levers. These are a cheap but beloved tool for getting your tire off or back onto your bike. When your bike has a flat, it can be incredibly hard to pop the tire and tube off your wheel if you don't have a tool for it. Pedro's Tire Lever isn't particularly clever, but it works well and it's cheap enough that you can buy a set for every bike in your home. They're lightweight but strong, made from a composite plastic that's similar to milkcrate plastic. And they snap together like Legos, making it easy to keep them together. Using them is relatively easy. If the air isn't already out of your tire, you can use the corner of these to push in the valve and get it fully flat. You then wedge the curvy lip under your tire and leverage it over your rim. Now at this point, if you don't hold it, your tire will likely pop back on. The cool trick on the Pedro lever is that this notch on the other side hooks onto your spoke to keep the lever in place. With both hands available, you can now wedge the second lever in and work off the rest of the tire bit by bit. Then with your tube patched or replaced but still flat, you can flip the lever over and use it this way to squeeze the tire back up and over the rim. So that's a look at Pedro's tire levers. I wouldn't say that they make the process of changing a flat painless. It still takes some time and elbow grease. But for $5, you really have no excuse not to have a set of these around as part of your bike kit. Even if you have something nicer, you could be a total hero and give these away when a friend has a flat. You can pick these up using the link in the description, and remember, you can see thousands of reader recommended tools like this at cool-tools.org.